What's up, YouTube? This is Mr. T in Portable 3, and I'm coming at you with another video. Not a financial literacy video today, not a coding video today. I just want to answer a question that some of you have been wondering. What is behind me? What are all these little squares, these little rectangles? What are they? A few of you have been wondering, and I want to answer it today. They are Starbucks cards. It's a collection that I have. I love collecting Starbucks cards. And I'd love to answer some questions that I've been getting about those Starbucks cards. Students want to know, why do you collect Starbucks cards? And the answer to that is because I think they're pretty cool. But in 2008, the year before I started Teachers College, I worked at Starbucks. And this is my partner card, believe it or not. When I was working there, that was my employee card or my partner card, and I've kept it for about 15 years now, and absolutely love not only collecting the cards, but remembering back to when I worked there. Mr. T, what was your first card? Well, there's the answer right there. The Starbucks Red card came out in 2008, and that was the first card. It's actually kind of cool. It's see-through a little bit. You can see my finger in behind it. It's pretty cool. The red card was the very first card that I ever got, and the oldest card that I have in my collection, and that is from 2008. And students also want to know, what is my favorite card? Well, it's right here. It's my gold card, which I think is pretty awesome. When I got gold status at Starbucks in 2015, they sent me my gold card, and I've kept it for the last 8 years. Really think it's awesome. I'm really proud of it. So I just love Starbucks. I know some people love Home Depot, some people love Dunkin' Donuts or Tim Hortons. Me, I love Starbucks and love collecting cards. So the fourth question that I always get is, how many do you have? And I'm not going to tell you the answer right now anyways. I'm going to give you some math questions to do with your class, and I'll see if you can figure it out. And then if you could post in the comments below roughly how many I have, I think that'd be pretty awesome. So, students, we know that to find the area of a rectangle, you have to use length times width. And so let's take this back wall here for a second. We have length, and we also have, we have width and we have length. Vice versa, it doesn't really matter. But to find the area of a rectangle, you need the tall side multiplied by the short side. Okay? So let me give you those two numbers. Along the bottom, there are 11 rows, or 11 columns, let's say. Okay? So 11 multiplied by the height, which is 28 tall. If you can do that math, on the back wall, you will find 28 multiplied by 11, and that will give you the area of the rectangle, or how many cards are inside that rectangle. On the side wall here, it is 28 tall by 10 wide. Okay? 28 times 11, 28 times 10. You can figure those two out. And then I've got some itty bitty cards. I got one here that's an Easter egg. Okay, these are like my one-off cards, my individual cards. Okay, I've got about, a little bit more actually, about 150. All right, so if you want to multiply 28 times 11, 28 times 10, and then add about 150, you will get the amount of cards that I have. And if you could post that amount in the comments below, that would be awesome. And I'm really pleased and glad that I could share it with you. And going forward, what I'd like to do is to share one special card in each video. Okay? Just give you a little bit of Mr. T, a little bit more of me, and tell you a little bit about why the card's special and what I remember about it, etc., etc. I'd like to share those with you. Okay? So, episode 1 dropped about a week or two ago. We've also got some other videos that I've posted in the last month, and believe it or not, my YouTube channel has had almost 1,000 views 1,000 students, 1,000 teachers have checked out some of the videos in the last month, and I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to ask you, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow along on my journey, hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to be alerted, teachers and students, when I add more videos, hit the notification bell. I actually have a video coming out in about a day or two, and that will serve as episode 002 on what is it on? It's on currencies, foreign currencies. It's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you some foreign currencies actually in that video. So teachers, if you want to follow along, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to see the number that you come up with to find out how many Starbucks cards I have. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me again.